Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another skincare video. So recently I found out about this thing called microneedling. It's where they put these tiny little needles on your face. So basically what you're doing with this procedure is taking these little needles to your face and then your skin is going to rebuild itself because that's what our body is good at. So if you have any scars on your face, any hyperpigmentation, or even fine lines, this will work. And this is the kind of stuff that you can get at a dermatologist's office, $300+ treatments. But fear not, my friend, I'm here to help you do this at home. Yes, you can actually do this at home, and if you do it in a very safe way and follow the instructions to a T, you better be listening. Are you listening? Pay attention. Put your phone down. Put your phone down. If you listen to the instructions, this is completely safe and a great way to maintain your skin at home without having to go to super expensive treatments all the time at a doctor's office. So today I partnered up with Banish in order to show you guys the Banish Acne Scars Kit. So basically Banish was started by this girl who had acne like her whole life, ever since the 3rd grade. What she did was she formed a line of products that are all natural, that don't have any chemicals that are gonna damage your skin or make your skin worse. And then she also has a tool in order to get rid of your acne scars. So the star of the show today is this little baby right here. See that, eh? So this baby right here is called the Banisher. And this is going to banish all of your scars and discoloration. If you guys look up close, you can see all these tiny little needles on here that are going to lightly prick your skin in order to send signals to your brain to repair. A quick warning, do not use this on active acne. This is for scarring only. If you're still trying to get rid of your acne, work on that, girl, and then purchase this. But the Banish website also has a plenty of products in order to help your acne first. They're not all just about acne scarring, but about helping the acne as well. First is the pumpkin enzyme mask, and then there's also a charcoal clay mask. The pumpkin mask, it's made out of pumpkin, guys. Like, this is legit. If you watched my Instagram stories and you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen I accidentally left this on the floor of my apartment and I went to the bathroom for like 2 minutes. I come back, my dog's trying to eat this thing. Literally, there are bite marks on the top of it. I love this mask. It makes your skin feel really soft, like a baby. And if you look on the back of it, the first ingredient is pumpkin fruit. Like, this is the most legit thing I ever seen in my damn life. Then the second mask is the charcoal mask, and this actually comes into a powder form, which is really cool. I can't really tip it that much because it'll just fall out. I like to use the charcoal mask on my T-zone, and then I apply the pumpkin mask to the rest of my face because you know I love a good multi-mask, girl. Basically, in order to make this a mask, super easy. All you're gonna do is add water, make it the consistency that you want, whatever you like, girl, and apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes until it's dry. So after you've treated your skin with these masks, you can go straight into banishing, but what I like to do is use the pore banisher. Look at this thing, it's huge. When I first pulled this out of the package, I was like, is this the banisher? Oh, hell no. Then I realized it was just a roller. It's all smooth, and you can put this in the freezer beforehand, just for like 10 minutes. It's great for reducing redness, reducing puffiness, and even numbing the skin if you're very sensitive to the banisher. So we'll just, oh, that's really cold. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. You know what this is really great for though? When you've eaten too much ramen, like I do a lot, and your face is all puffy. It's actually really relaxing, guys. Oh yeah. Then you can proceed with the star of the show, the Banisher. A lot of people ask, does it hurt? It doesn't hurt me at all personally, but I might have a high pain tolerance. I actually kind of like the feeling of the needles. Do I like pain? I'm kind of a freak, guys, so. But what you really want to make sure of when you are rolling this on your face is you don't want to drag it all over the place. You don't want to be doing like zigzags and shit. Calm down. Slow your roll. Like literally slow your roll. What you want to do is go in one direction and then lift, go in another direction. That is the most effective way to do this. Otherwise, you are risking tearing your skin instead of needling it. And the skin can be a bit sensitive after you roll as well. So I do like to do this whole thing at nighttime because it gives your skin a chance to heal. You definitely don't want to be putting makeup or heavy skincare products onto your face after you do this either. And the kit does also come with this little guy. So this is the Banisher pen stamp, and basically it's just for smaller areas. Say you just have like 1 or 2 scars that you want to get rid of. This would be great for that. But once again, let me stress, do not use this on active acne. Please only use this on your scars. So after you've banished all your acne scars, then you want to soothe your face. This stuff is the Banish oil, and this is a best seller on their website for a reason. It's freshly made at their warehouse in California. I'm pretty sure they make this stuff like daily, and it is your ooh, good old vitamin C serum, girl. Yeah. If I read out the ingredients, the first ingredient is glycerin, and then vitamin C, aloe, rosehip oil, grapefruit seed extract, organic witch hazel. This stuff is legit. Okay, so you're just going to apply a bit of this onto your skin after you banish those acne scars. And like I said before, this is definitely best to use at nighttime because you don't want to be going out into the sun and wearing makeup and all that stuff after you've done this. And the kit also comes with this, which is their vitamin C spray. If you just want to spray this on your face when you wake up in the morning to wake you up, go ahead. Do what you need to do. Another great thing about the Banisher is that after you use it, your products are going to seep into your skin a lot easier. The vitamin C oil becomes so much more effective. And the best part of this is, guys, is that if you don't like it, just get your money back. There is a 30-day money back guarantee. So there's literally no risk in trying this. So here are my quick before and afters. I've never really had super problem skin. You guys know that. But I do get flare-ups every once in a while, and because I do have melanin in my skin, I have a lot of melanin, my skin tends to develop hyperpigmentation very easily, so I scar easily. So pretty much anytime I have one of those breakouts, like the ones that you see here on my forehead, it leaves scars. But with a proper skincare routine and using tools like the Banisher every 2 weeks or so, you can definitely see a difference in your skin. I want you guys to remember that tools like this are not the end-all be-all. They are simply tools. So if you use something like this with proper skincare practices and taking control of your diet and your lifestyle, then you will be able to see results. It's all a combination of things. There is no one thing that's going to make your skin perfect. But definitely check these guys out. I really love what Daisy is doing with her company and how she's really banishing all these nasty ingredients that are in a lot of skincare, and she's really helping people with it, and I think that's awesome. I saw Ivan Lam trying this out and it made me really want to try it out, and then I got an email from Banish and I was like, wow, okay, this is my chance to try it out, and I actually really like it, and I think it's super legit, guys. And if you guys want to try it, go ahead, and if you don't like it, cuss me out in the comments and get your money back. I don't care. But I think this is going to be really great for anyone who's struggling with acne scars, and even with current active acne. If you guys want to try the pumpkin mask and the charcoal mask, let me know if you ever tried anything like this before, because I literally never even heard of like putting tiny little needles in your skin before I watched that video that Ivan put up. So let me know in the comments below, guys, and I will see you in the next one. I love ya so much.